Guys, what if I tell you that this background you are seeing is actually fake? Yeah, it's fake. This is a fake background. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic fake background. People will not even know that it is not your background. Okay, the background will go from this to this. Okay, so before we dive right into the video, my name is Nonye and this is Nonye Tutor Zone. On this channel, we create tutorial video on how to make money online and YouTube growth tips. If that's the kind of video that you love, do well to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a good video like this. You don't want to miss out. So guys, let's just go straight into the video. Let me show you step by step on how you can actually create a fake realistic background. Okay, so if you're a new YouTuber or you're a new content creator and you have been worried how to create content, you've been worried about your background, you have been worried, no, my background is not looking good, because these are the things that have been depriving a lot of people to start up their channel. Okay, some people have been thinking, I want to start my channel, but I don't have a good surrounding, I don't have a good background. How do I do this? This video is actually for you. I'm here to help you. Okay, so guys, before we dive right into the video, what you need to do first, you need to first of all record the video in a plain background. You can see this background I'm recording with. Okay, so make sure you're recording in a plain background. There's nothing on the wall. Okay, the background, it mustn't be blue, it can be any color. Okay, you can use any color, red, yellow, as long as it is plain. Okay, first of all, record that video in a plain background. And another thing you want to consider, you must use a tripod, or you must look for a place. Even if you don't have a tripod, you must look for a place to actually stand your phone, so that it will be steady, because you don't want a shaky video you get. So let it just be steady, so you can just record that video without it having a shaking. So as you're recording that video, you must make sure you are sitting still. Okay, I don't know, is this sitting still or you are just consistent? I don't know how to do. I don't stop doing shaky, like you will not be doing all this kind of stuff. Okay, so because if you're doing all this kind of stuff, when you're creating the video, is going to be very noticeable. Okay, so, and you don't want that in your video. So you're just going to just sit and maintain a consistent position. Do you get? So once you have done that, just go ahead, record that video. And after you record the video, now we are going into the practical aspect. I'm going to show you how you can get a realistic fake background and attach it to your video. People will not know. Yes, I will know. Yes. So guys, so if you are a new content creator, this video is actually for you. So let's just dive in. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a realistic fake background using AI. And the AI we are going to be using is the popular one known as ChatGPT. So, but before we dive right into the video, there are two steps you can actually use to create a realistic fake background. Step one is to get the picture of any background of your choice. You can go to Pinterest, you can go on YouTube, you can go on Google, just go and search for background. So anyone that you like, just get the screenshot. The aim of the screenshot is not to copy or use another person's background, rather is to modify and give ChatGPT an idea of the kind of background that we want to create. I hope you understand. The number two step is for us to just give ChatGPT a prompt of the kind of background that we want, and ChatGPT will go ahead and create the background. I hope you understand. So I'm going to be teaching you the two methods. Okay, so we'll start with the first one, which is to get a screenshot of any background that you love or that you like. Okay, which I'm going to be using this background. Okay, so this is the background I'm going to be using. Okay, this is Vanessa Lau. Okay, this is the background. I just screenshotted it from one of our videos. Okay, so you will see how I will give the prompt to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will create my own background. The aim of it is not to copy the same background, but rather to give ChatGPT an idea of the kind of background that I want, the lightning, the space, the flower, and every other thing. Okay, so let's just dive right into our ChatGPT app. So I'll go to my ChatGPT. So what I will do is I will put in the photo that I screenshotted. Okay, so this is it.
Okay, then after it has finished loading, I will give it a prompt. I will say, using this same pattern of background in the picture above, please generate a YouTube studio background. Please do not include the image of the person. Make it unique and different from the above picture. Okay, so this is actually the prompt, okay, that I will give ChatGPT. Then I will just click, you see here, I'm going to click on it and to send. Okay, so once it sends, I will wait for it to generate. Okay, so it is generating. We'll just wait for it. Okay, so you can see this is what it came up with. Okay, it came up with this. Okay, this is what it actually came up with. You can see that the pictures are almost similar but slightly different. Okay, the table color here is brown, while over there in her own picture the table color is white. Okay, so you can see, so I'm going to do some changes. Okay, you can see my own, they attach a YouTube picture on my wall. Okay, hers have a door, mine doesn't have a door. So ChatGPT actually try to twerk and change some things for me. Okay, so but I will still do some by myself. Okay, so I will go ahead and tell ChatGPT, please remove the table. Okay, so immediately I gave it the prompt, ChatGPT remove the table for me. Okay, this is what ChatGPT gave me. Okay, so ChatGPT gave me this and I said to still tell ChatGPT remove the microphone. Okay, when I did that, ChatGPT removed the microphone for me. I still went on and I told ChatGPT remove the computer and replace it. I said remove the computer and replace it with a bookshelf. Okay, this was the prompt I gave to ChatGPT. Okay, so ChatGPT actually did this for me, and yeah, this is it. Okay, so this is what ChatGPT gave me. So at this point I will just click on it and go ahead and download it. Okay, so I like this already, but if you don't like this, you can as well
keep twerking it until you get what you want. Okay, you can decide to tell ChatGPT to change the color of the wall, or change the color of the chair, or change the chair entirely. Just tell ChatGPT what you want. Okay, so just keep twerking it until you are satisfied with the background. Okay, so but if you are still not satisfied with this, or you don't have strength to keep sending prompt to ChatGPT, then the next step you need to do is to take the step 2, which is to just give ChatGPT a prompt telling ChatGPT to create a background for you, and ChatGPT will give you a background. Okay, so that brings us to the second step, which is to give ChatGPT a prompt. Okay, so I gave ChatGPT a prompt. I said, please generate a YouTube studio background with lightning and flowers. Please include a bookshelf. Make it unique using the 16:9 YouTube format. Okay, so immediately I gave ChatGPT this prompt. This is what ChatGPT gave us. Is this not beautiful, guys? So this is the second step, very easy. Okay,
so at this point you can just go download it. Okay, I love this already, so I'll just use this one. Okay, I'll just use this one that ChatGPT generated for us. So let's go to the editing aspect.
okay, so now we'll come to our CapCut app. This is my CapCut app. So you can see, you just click on new project. Okay, look for the video. Let's say I choose I'll just choose any video anyway. Let me just go ahead and choose this one. Okay,
Hi guys,
so
my
I will
name is
just add
Nonye, and
it. Okay, so once I add the video that I want to change the background, okay, so next thing is just to come to edit. You can see this place, they say edit. Look for remove background. You can see it, remove BG. You click on remove BG. Okay, you click on auto remover. Okay, you can use any app anyways, because for CapCut it is for pro version. Okay, if you don't have the pro version, if you didn't subscribe for the pro version, you can actually export this video after you finish removing the background. The only way you can export this video, except you do a screen record after the whole settings and you are done with your removing background and you are done with your video, you can just do a screen record, and that's another way you can actually get your video. But without that, if you want to export, you can't export because it only uses pro. But you can go ahead and use InShot app. Same method you use for CapCut is still same method you use for InShot. Okay, the both apps work the same. Okay, just that InShot is free, but CapCut you need to pay. Okay, so I will just go and click on auto remover, so it will remove the background. Okay, so at this point we need to add in that background that ChatGPT created for us. So to do that, you need to go back here. You see this place they say background. Okay, this place they say background, you click on it. Once you click on it, you see this place they say image, you click on the image. Now you see this place that have picture icon with plus on top. Okay, it means that you should, this is where you can actually add any background you want. So I will click on this plus sign, it will take me here, then I'll click on the background. Okay, then I will now click on apply to all. Okay, so once you click on apply to all, it will apply to all your videos. Okay, so you see this sign here, this good sign here, click on it. Okay, at this point you have added your background, so you can go ahead and export this video at this point. Okay, so guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you know you gained value, please go to the comment section and say I gained value. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Click on the thumbs up button, give me a like, so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people. Okay, so comment in the comment section, say nice thing. It will encourage me to do more videos that you will like or you will love. Okay,
So guys, which of the method do you like? Is it the method 1 or the method 2? Let me hear you in the comment section. Okay, state the method that you like. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. I love you guys.